Hi everybody, this is Stacy at Yarn and You, and today I'm going to demonstrate one of the stitches that is in the Sweet Blossom Blanket, which is a free knit-along from Sirdar using their bonus DK yarn. Here's the color I'm using right now. This is bonus DK. It's 100% acrylic, and believe it or not, I'm really enjoying crocheting with it. So those of you who know me know I'm not real big on crochet. Knitting is my passion, but I'm still on the clue for week 1, and I haven't even made it through all the stitches in week 1. And you can see there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different stitches. The one I'm on right now is a raspberry stitch. These were the actual baubles. They were super fun to do. Man, I would much rather crochet a bauble than knit one any day of the week, that's for sure. So this is, surprisingly for me as a knitter, most of the magic happens on the back side, the wrong side. So there's 2 stitches involved with the raspberry stitch. The first one is you start to do a double crochet. So you're going to yarn over, you're going to go into the stitch, and I'm going through both loops of the stitch. You yarn over again, or hook over, or whatever you like to call it, and bring a loop forward, and now you have 3 on your hook. You're going to yarn over and only pull through 1, so that's where it stops being a double crochet. Then we're going to begin another double crochet, which is you would yarn over, go through the same stitch that we already went through, yarn over, and bring a hook forward, and now we have 5 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And so to complete the raspberry stitch, you yarn over and pull through all 5. And then to kind of, I always think to myself, to finish him off, you have to do the next step, because their next stitch, because this one just pulls him up funny and he doesn't really look like anything. So the next stitch is just a single crochet, which in UK terms, the pattern actually calls it a double crochet. So that can be confusing, you know, if you're not used to using a UK pattern. But to me, the most fun thing is all the magic happens on the back, or I'm sorry, it's truly the front, because we're actually working on the back. But that's how you get your little raspberry stitches. Aren't they cute?